But check this out, guys. This is the most awesome RC shop you can come to. Come down, Graves Hobbies, the new purple e-revo.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be
Young boy on the beat.
Alright, guys, check this out. We at Graves Hobby, man. They got the new purple e-revo, baby. They got the TRX4 Sport. Cool, man, with the Traxxas. But the e-revo, man, this is beautiful. Same insides. Got a different body. That's awesome. I do YouTube, just to let you know. That's why I'm filming. But check this out, guys. This is the most awesome RC shop you can come to. Come down, Graves Hobbies.
What's your name?
Dante.
I had a guy literally came in about 2 hours ago and said, "Hey, I'm Dante. I have a speed control, a GPS meter on hold." Wow.
Check this out, guys. I'm telling you, come down to your local hobby shop, man. They have all the things that you need. And this is one. Hey, I'm gonna bring my big camera, bro, so I can really get them to see this on. I know she do the YouTube. I talked to her on the on y'all YouTube channel. I have to get this guy. All right, brother. I'll see y'all later. Hey, I got to get this before I leave, man. The TRX4 Sport with the trailer, guys. Yes, sir. I gotta get my TRX4 back, my Blazer.
Good afternoon, Mr. Neiman. This is Brian calling you.
All right, and the revo purple, guys. Get it in, baby. Oh, that small trailer. Traxxas. This is the baddest shop you gonna ever come to. All your wheels.